In book of Ephesians chapter 4 verse 11 to 14, God gave a gift in the church of 5 gifts. First, apostle. Second, prophets. Third, evangelist, pastors, and teachers. So what is your gift that God has given to you? You will know it if you are working fruitfully in your gift. And my gift, according to others, is prophet. But I'm not telling to anyone or say it that that prophet is my gift. But I know it. My gift is a prophet. I'm only say right now because I'm blogging. The prophet is to know about what happened in the future.